Today I'm going to be replacing the ignition control module on this 1994 F150 with the straight 6 engine. So right down here is what the part that we're going to be changing out, the ignition control module, or ICM. It's right here on the fender, over by the brake cylinder and everything, behind the fuse box. Right here on the fender, there's two bolts that hold it on, and it's also on a cooling block, and I think it's easier to just take the whole cooling block off with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. These bolts are 5/16. Now we can unplug it by pulling back this tab here and pushing down. There we go. As you can see, there's some smaller bolts for the actual control module here that hold this onto this cooling block. I've got this one here off of my other truck. It's a 92, but when I looked up trying to order a new one on the parts store, it looked like they took the same parts, both the 94 with the 6-liter and then the 92 with the 5-liter, so they must all be the same. Hopefully I'm not messing anything up. So we're going to plug in this new one and bolt it back up into place.